right, so we got the first wreath made. We got the teals. It's coming out so vibrant on this camera. But the teals and the whites and the silvers. Got some pine cones out the grass. Got the snowflakes popping out from around back. And then we got some balls on there. So that is wreath number one. So this is wreath number 2. Candy cane lane. They wanted candy canes, so we gave it a more of a whimsical holiday traditional look with candies around it, and you can see the gold and red. And then I love this bow because you can change it to red, you can change it to gold. So yeah. This is Candy Cane Lane. My most colorful wreath to date. This one has aquas, blues, dark blues, navy blues. Got 2 reindeer hiding back there. This one was very colorful. I actually love it. Love the colors. It matches her tree. So yeah, this is from a girl Shay. We got the balls and we even got the ribbon going all the way around the edges. So it's not only the front, it's the edges as well. So yeah, call that aqua magic. And lastly, we got one with a T in the middle. Got the gold T there. And this one is just silver, whites, and golds. Just a real wintry white snow. We wrapped it with the silver ribbon. And then, no. All right, y'all. Last wreath completed from my girl Sophie. Look how nice. She wanted muted gold, navy, and white. And I did not have muted gold. Oh, I hope that don't look, the W don't look too thinged off, because I didn't have muted gold spray paint, so I just had to spray paint. Maybe I should go back and do it white. What do y'all think? So we got one wreath done. She wanted grays and silvers, whites, of course, as you can see, very natural looking, and some sprays of red, like just some very light sprays of red. So that's what we got for her. I finished up my wreath. As you can see, it's got a wintry glow. That's pretty much what I go for in the house. So that's what I come up with. And I love it. It has different textures and silver, and look at it, just very Christmassy, glamish type of wreath.